Man, a player made a mistake. Like, man, forgive me on this one. Let me explain. What's going on, my people? Welcome to the SN95 Power Channel. So yeah, my bad. Like, man, I'm sorry. To everybody at Mustang Week Texas, I didn't get a chance to go over to the other section of the car show. I was so focused on the section I was at because here's the thing about Mustang Week Texas. It's a huge show and they have so much going on. You really don't have to just focus on looking at cars. They have a huge amount of vendors up there. They have exhibition shows going on up there. And, you know, I kind of got locked into the little area I was at. The weather was about to change too. There was a storm that's coming through. So I just kind of hustled and did my little section and I dipped. But on the other section where I was not, there was a lot of 4th gen cars over there and I really missed that opportunity. But I know next year to plan a little bit better and not to be as rushed. But hey man, we have a new king when it comes to these car shows, and we'll talk about this in depth on another video, but Mustang Week Galveston is definitely top dog now. No disrespect to Ponies. Ponies has their niche and Ponies is still a great show, but my experience down here at Galveston was top notch. Everything from the show itself to the surrounding area, it was great. So let's get into this video. So before we get into this video, I just want to say I'm doing some timestamps. So if you guys don't want to sit through everything, I've got it sectioned off so you can hop around to whatever section that you want to look at on this video. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. But just wait a second once you pull out there. Doesn't matter. Yeah, I think that one works. All right, nothing like a clean car. I mean, this was a rush job. I gotta do a better job of keeping my white balance locked. Let's see, how far are we? I have to clean the inside of it when I get over there to the show. We got our little mini posse coming up in here. And we head up in here now. So we're about to roll up into this so this is kind of cool. We're doing like a little cruise. clean builds over here. I really like this. And let me give my man Justin's props. He's got the radiator covers. You don't see that on these cars, but yeah, radiator covers. Mustang Week 2025, it's been one. Big shout out to all the channel supporters that came out. Jesse, Aaron, Colin, Greg, Chad, Matt, Greg. I think I might have said Greg's name twice, but Keenan, of course, Keenan, Justin, Alex, the whole coalition, Foxy 5 everybody who helped put this together. Yeah, I think this has surpassed Pitts.
Yes, it's my favorite show. It's so much fun. Yeah, Pitts is fun, but that says a lot about the show. It's really fun.
Johnny, what do you think?
Pretty much so, to a point where you get everybody from everywhere, including Texas, that want to show off their bills and enjoy their time, especially the fact of, you know, coming and supporting, you know, a generation of Mustangs that range from the 60s to present. So when you look at it, it's nice to see. You know, you don't get this from a lot of other manufacturers, not that we know of, but other models of people who actually envision themselves to actually create a group, especially like the JDM guys and say Mitsubishi Evos. You know,
yeah, but we don't care about them.
But
guys.
we don't care about them.
Like, yeah, the Mustang. Like I can't say, like you say, I haven't been to like any GM or Dodge Fest or anything like that, but yeah, us for these Mustang shows they put on, and this was a great time. I look forward into doing this again next year.
Nice job, guys.
Nice job, guys. Like,
nice job.
Texas, I'm not mad at y'all.
Not at all.
I'm a big fan. So.
Galveston is beautiful.
Yeah.
Love the area. Love the weather. It was perfect the entire time.
Yeah.
We're exhausted.
Yeah, let me say this. I'm sorry. I just recorded in the VIP section. I didn't realize that there was a general section, and I just missed that whole area. I'm tired. Like it was hot out there, talking to people, and like I said, I try to record every single SN95, but you know, I got footage for y'all. So I appreciate y'all rock with me on this video. Until next time, God bless.
Thank you.